My name is Matt Schisler. I have the Attitude Buggy from Perryville, Missouri. I own an excavating company, and when I'm not digging dirt, I'm playing in it. I ran across it on YouTube. Got some buddies together. We went to a race, and I was like, I gotta have one. So I went out and bought one. I ran it for a year like it was, and then I had Scott at Sunfire Off-Road cut it up. We made room for bypasses, made room for a blower. When I got it, it had a 5.7, just factory motor in it. Went ahead and tore it apart. Had a 383 stroker built. About halfway through the season, I went to a 250 shot of nitrous to try to keep up with everybody. Made it through the year, finished quite well for the first year out. So in the off season, we tore it down, got an LS3 with a Kenny Bell Supercharger. We're running 14 volts, front and rear, an SES straight drive case. We got a Power Glide by Transmission to Go in Arnold, Missouri. Talked to my tuner, and he recommended the Holley EFI. Yeah, right now with the Kenny Bell Supercharger, we're pushing around 1,000 horsepower. One of the best things about the Holley EFI system is it's self-tuning. I have people that tune my rig, but if I need to, I can go into my 7-inch dash and change it myself. I'm here to watch somebody else's as much as I am here to race, I guess you'd say. In this class, there's no restrictions. You just run what you run. And hope you had enough.